Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to organize your work, collaborate with others and manage projects in a structured way, creating a space in Perplexity AI is a powerful feature you should start using. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a space in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open perplexity.ai, okay, or open the mobile app, log into your account and be ready to create. Okay, so now access spaces, look for spaces or workspace section. Okay, as you can see here, it's usually in the sidebar or menu. Click to open. Okay, now create a new space, so click plus new space. Okay, and starts creating. So now the creation started. Name your space. Okay, so choose a clear name, for example, contents creation, study plan, AI research project. Keep it simple and relevant, okay, for easy identification. Okay, now add description. Okay, you can describe it. Okay, purpose of the space, help, because it helps collaborators. Okay, set privacy and access, so choose private, which is just you can see it, or shared for team or friends. Okay, so control the access. Create the space, so click create after that. Okay, and you can click confirm. Your space is ready after that. Okay, add content to the space, so you can add threads, PDFs, notes, research. Okay, so keep everything together. Okay, so that's it guys for today's videos. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.